In the box, the Polycom VVX600 comes complete with the base unit, a handset cord, a network cable, a stand, and documentation. The VVX600 comes standard with 16 lines of programmable soft keys, gesture-based multi-touch capable LCD screen, Polycom HD voice, internal speaker, and hard keys that include 12-button keypad, volume control, home, headset, speaker, and mute. Ports on the VVX600 include a headset port for hands-free use, 2 gigabit Ethernet switch, USB port for optional VVX camera accessories, and a port for connecting an optional expansion module. Setup is easy. Plug in the network cable and handset cord, then snap on the stand.